Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe and like the videos. And let me start the video. So this is my first video, and then I'll be showing you guys on my favorite indicator. It's just the trend following indicator, and then it's very simple. So this is what I've been using mostly, and this is the one. This indicator is in the Quant Tower. Yeah, and then I also use Ninja Trader and Quant. But this is the what they call the EMA cloud. So basically, it's just the EMA like 9 or 21 EMA or 14 EMA if you use just a normal indicator. But they use combine all that. They call the EMA cloud, and it's really nice for scalping and then also just trend following trading. For example, we are in the 1 minute. So today, since the open, right? Since the open, as you guys can see, look every time we're in on the green box, we have bounce. And so this is what you want to wait in the same direction, right? For example, we are going up here, we pull back to the zone, we bounce. I want to look at this one here, and another one, and another one, and another one. So yeah, this and this and that. As you guys can see, this is really good trend trading, for example. But I don't usually like just get in because it is in the box. But I usually wait until see the next candle breaks above the previous candle. For example, like this ones, right? This candle, I drink this, and then this break of this candle. Then you want to go long. So this this is kind of messy. So even if you miss this, you will have like really good one trade and another one two trade here above this candle. So it's really good. And then this one we did break down. Let's break down the EMA cloud, but you can see we just went back right. So we just go along in this first or the second candle here for this strong bounce. And then like I said, this is really a good indicator if you're looking for it, like just a simple indicator, especially if you use Quant Tower. I would suggest you just look through this, type on the indicators here, like if you type EMA, uh, EMA, you could just come to use the top one, or you could see EMA cloud, here, and just use that. And then it's very simple, and just follow the trend. And then the opposite, if it would break below the EMA cloud, for example, here we broke it. If you break like this, you just wait, retest of the cloud, and then reject, and then you just short. Same thing, short. You know what I mean? But this one's you shorted this, but this one's because this candle it went like below this candle, but it didn't hold it, so we just bounce right back up, and then we're above the EMA cloud. So I wouldn't go. This one would be stopped. This one would have stopped you out, but that's the business of trading. You just take the L and then you move on. And then this one, as you can see, we're trying to reverse back to the upside. So this is a good. Let me see on the 5 minute. That would, 5 minutes. This is like right now. This is very bullish. So this one you want to go long, not short. So I have one running. So only 2 micros. Boom, easy. So my stop would be if you break below, but I'm trading micro, that's why it's far here. But if I'm trading minis, it's gonna be the lower than the if I gotta put if I'm trading minis, I would have put it below the previous candle low. So I don't have to risk that much. But these are micros I'm trading right now, as you can see. But I am trading copy trading few accounts with them, so I'm copy trading few accounts. That's why I'm trading just micro, just to show you guys my my way of trading, and then I could just have a take profit right here or here or I could have like 1 micro take profit in this kind of resistance area here before the 20 here, and then the second one maybe up here, just like that. Yeah, so okay. So this is what I wanted to guys show you the EMA cloud trading. So yeah, this I did take in you know bunch of those trades, and then I'm up like I would say like up about 400 for, let's see. Yep, I'm up like about 400 some for account per account. So I'm copy trading those few accounts, just trading like a 2 to 3 micro. So yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. And if you have any other question, let me know. I'll cover in my the next video, or I'll be doing a different other indicator that I've been using. I might upload one of those. So thank you very much, guys.